Hi friends, welcome to Bright Beats Kids. Today we're gonna make a rocket ship together. Grab your paper and crayons, let's go! Step 1, let's draw a long oval. This will be the rocket's body. Nice and easy, great job! Step 2, draw a circle near the top. 2 little fins on the side. Wow, your rocket is looking amazing! Step 3, let's color our rocket. You can make it red, blue, yellow, or any color you like. There's no wrong way to color. Step 4, draw smoke and fire at the bottom. And get ready to blast off. 3, 2, 1, lift off! You did it! Your rocket ship looks amazing! Thanks for drawing at Bright Beats Kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe and keep creating! Bye! See you next time, friends!